Yawning is a reflex behavior that has been observed among humans and also in other animal species, which has led to a variety of theories about its purpose and function. One of the most intriguing aspects of this phenomenon is its contagious nature, that is, the tendency of people to yawn after seeing or hearing someone else do it. From a scientific perspective, contagious yawning has been approached from several angles. One of the most prominent hypotheses is the empathy and social bonding theory. According to this theory, contagious yawning may be linked to the ability to empathize with others. When seeing someone yawn, the brain activity related to empathy increases, which could lead to the replication of the yawn as a form of social synchronization. In fact, neuroscientific research has shown that the neural networks activated during yawning are connected to areas of the brain responsible for social function and empathy. Another theory is the so-called simulation model. This model suggests that the human brain has a tendency to automatically simulate the actions observed in others, which implies a kind of chain reaction that, in the case of yawning, ends in the physical imitation of the act. This explanation is supported by the discovery of mirror neurons, a type of brain cell that activates both when we perform an action and when we observe others doing it. In addition to neuropsychological theories, there are evolutionary conjectures suggesting that contagious yawning may have served as a mechanism to enhance group alertness in primates, which are social animals. From this perspective, when a group member yawns, it may trigger yawning throughout the community, helping to synchronize the sleep-wake cycle and keep the group alert to potential threats. Despite the various theories, it is important to note that there is no absolute consensus within the scientific community on why we yawn when we see others do it. However, what is clear is that contagious yawning is a fascinating phenomenon that involves elements of biology, psychology, and social behavior, reflecting the complex interaction between mental and physical processes within a social context.